Understanding Comparative Relationships in ACT Reading Comprehension. Hello, learners! In today's session, we're going to explore an essential aspect of the ACT Reading Comprehension section, the Comparative Relationships questions. By mastering this topic, you'll be better equipped to identify and understand how different elements in a passage relate to one another. Comparative relationships questions focus on identifying the relationship between two or more elements within the passage. These could be concepts, events, or characters. The key is to discern how one is portrayed in relation to another. For instance, you might be asked to compare two characters' opinions on a topic, or how one event influenced another. One way to spot these questions is by identifying comparative keywords. These are words or phrases that signal a comparison or contrast. Some common comparative keywords include similarly, in contrast to, however, likewise, differently. On the other hand, by becoming familiar with these keywords, you'll be able to quickly identify and tackle comparative relationships questions. 1. Annotate as you read. As you go through the passage, make brief notes whenever you come across comparative keywords or any hint of a comparison. 2. Identify the elements being compared. Before answering the question, ensure you have a clear understanding of what elements, e.g., characters, events, concepts, are being compared. 3. Seek out the basis of comparison. Ask yourself, what is the specific aspect on which these elements are being compared? Is it their appearance? Their opinions? Their effects on something else? 4. Verify with textual evidence. Always go back to the passage to confirm your answer. Don't rely solely on memory or first impressions. The best way to get comfortable with comparative relationships questions is to practice with real ACT reading passages. This not only sharpens your skills but also builds your confidence. That wraps up our deep dive into comparative relationships questions on the ACT Reading Comprehension section. Remember, with understanding and practice, you can master this and tackle any question the ACT throws your way. Here's to your test preparation journey, and we hope this video has been of great help. Keep practicing and stay curious.